So I'm gonna mix that up again. You have to make sure the essential oil they're mixed. Okay. And gotta pour it in. I'm gonna try to slam it because I need it to fit the edges really nicely. So it's very big. The essential oils that is in there is very fast accelerated.
I'm actually in the studio right now labeling some tea tree rosemary soap bars. So this is what we have. We're restocking these ones. I just created some labels for it. Those of you who haven't checked out the website, there's your chance to do so. Smells so good. So we're labeling them, placing them in storage, making sure we stock up on these. So they're about dry, so it's now just labeling them. See if I could share this on different platforms. Facebook. So this is what we're doing today, labeling. How are you folks doing? You guys should see a lot of videos on my Instagram page. Do visit my Instagram page, darcikin. Trying to ensure where.
Hello folks, I'm here mixing up the green clay. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. So I have my large mold here, so I'm gonna mix that up again. So it's getting a very nice light trace. This is my essential oil, beautiful green. So we have rosemary, tea tree, cedarwood. Gonna put that in. Very beautiful green. Seeing it has a nice little thickness to it. I'm gonna put my essential oil blend in there. I'm going to mix that up. Make sure everything is mixed properly because it does have a fast tracing. It does have a fast tracing essential oil in there. Anytime you add floral essential oils, you could get a very fast trace. Like it started to accelerate the batter. So at this point, you just start to mix everything as opposed to blend it, blend it. So we're mixing it up, and then I'm just gonna pour it in. So you see it's starting to get a bit thick. When it's starting to do that, it means it's time to start pouring. I'm going to take my whisk and whisk it, make sure everything is, all the essential oils is properly mixed in there. You have to make sure the essential oils are mixed. Okay. Then gotta pour it in. Pour that in. I'm just gonna rest this here. This is definitely started to thicken up a bit. Get that going, especially the edges. I'm going to try to slam it because I needed to fit the edges really nicely. So it's very big. The essential oils that is in there is very fast accelerated. Okay, make sure I don't let anything waste. Very nice green bar. I'm gonna make this really nice, and then Very nice big bar. Okay, so now I am going to take a spoon and just scoop it. So this is our bar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.